just install this W2 NVMEM.2 hard disk. It's over here. I just saw a tutorial how to do it. The RAMs are installed. Ooh.
Set up my motherboard, I fit that in, install my hard disk, set up the wires for power and reset, and I'm setting up the power supply. I don't have an IO shield, but that's okay, it's out here. It's a pile of mess. I have to set this up.
I've installed my graphic card, set some cables pretty weirdly, set my power supply, and I just connected it. It's time to test whether everything is running or not. I'm going to switch on the power supply and going to turn my PC on the moment of truth. Yay, it's turned on. I just got some new fans. I'm trying to install them and it is really hard. These fans don't have any threading. I just used a screw that came with the fan and tried to thread in all these fans. I don't know how I'm going to install in here. It's going to be a little hard for me. I'm just watching some YouTube videos to install these fans. Seems like pretty tough. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I'll keep trying it. That's how I learn how to build my PC. My PC is almost built. I've done everything. I've installed Windows. I've installed all the softwares and stuff, so it's pretty slick. But I just want my fans to in so that the temperature is controlled and everything looks good. Maybe my wire management is a little bit bad, but I don't care. Let's make it beautiful. Let's install these fans and I'll update you how these fans are installed. I successfully installed fans and I'm just done with the wiring and all. My other fans also installed. I'm almost close to check how it's working. I just put the front case. Now I've turned on the power supply. I think now I should turn on. Ooh, look at these lights. This is just so amazing. Look at these lights. Wow. It's really cool. It's pretty cool. I think I've installed it in the right way. This is so amazing. I did it finally. Wow. I have this nice remote. I can change colors. Take this off. I think now it works maybe. Wow. Green, red. Look at this. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm really happy. Auto. Woo! It looks so cool. Yay! I did it. I'm so happy. Okay, now I'll plug it back everything and I'll close in and see how it is. Peace. My whole PC build is complete. Now I'm finally removing the final cover.